Sanjiv Bhasin, who joins in on the show. And Sanjiv, let's get in your take on Kotak Bank with this cease and desist notice by the Reserve Bank for issue of fresh credit cards. Given the fact that it took HDFC Bank 15 plus months to clear a similar issue, it's going to be a long drawn process for Kotak Bank as well. What do shareholders do?
Yes, good morning, Avan. Like you've seen, RBI has been very stringent on a lot of things and observations, and it has corrected past problems or past deficiencies. I think it's a very big positive in the sense that at least it brings to the fore that what was the lack of IT and so on. But I think given that Kotak has anyway been an underperformer, in the medium term, I think it will slightly underperform the bank nifty. But over a period of time, like HDFC bounce back, see, Kotak has arguably the best asset quality in the industry, and they have never sacrificed their NIMs for any short-term issues. So I think they will get back with a vengeance. And if you are a long-term investor, then this is a very good time to do a sip in this stock, because the volatility will give you the price performance. Though I think overall it may not have major impact on the earnings or the long-term visibility.
Okay, not a long-term impact on the earnings visibility on the stock, but what's the expectation when it comes to Bajaj Finance in terms of their quarterly numbers? What would you like to hear?
So Bajaj Finance has been all over the place. It left a sour taste when it did that QIP at a premium, despite the next day getting a lot of flack from the governor, regulator over issues of non-compliance on the NBFC side. We will closely watch out, though I think that pre-operating profits before provisioning will be very high, given that yields have been strong for them and their liability franchise has played out well. However, we have to see the future guidance, because there is a lot of competition playing on, and now with banks full-fledged into this on the PSU side, there can be dilution of AUM for them over a period of time. So I think I will watch out for the book which goes forward, the return on equity, but I would say inline numbers.
Day, Vodafone, you've been a fan of this one. The FPO shares are going to hit the market. What is it that we can anticipate?
Well, if you missed out on the allotment, which I think 90% people did, because if you applied below 2 lakh, you got the good allotment, but the large caps, at least in large category, got very little. And I think the left out feeling is going to be huge. They got oversubscribed more than 8 times. I think it's a buy. So whenever you get it at a discount because of the arbitrage or because of some profit booking, I think this is the best pick of the year. So please, look and see where you are comfortable with buying it. But maybe a little bit premium to the issue price should be a very good harbinger if you are looking at doubling in the next year. I think Vodafone has set the cat amongst the pigeons. The AB Birla Group is up and roaring. We gave you ABFRL, AB Capital. ABFRL is now arguably looking to scale that 350 mark. It's at a new high. So I'm very confident on Vodafone and would suggest buys as you get closer to that a little volatility because of the arbitrage or the people who want to book out.
Right, okay. In fact, sure.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.